what a day on Strijp-S looks like. I'm super exhausted from all the new impressions. But to finish off this little video, I'm going to leave you with a few tips, insider tips on where to go at the Dutch Design Week. So my personal tip would be to go to the Manifestations Expo. You've seen a lot of footage in here. It's on the top floor of the Veen building, and I thought it was super cool because it was really weird and conceptual projects, but really about our future. So that's my tip.
Hi students of Laura, I also have a tip for you. I would suggest you go to the Klokgebouw and view all the different high-tech innovations, such as the new Renault cars and the new plane and the Hyperloop from TU Delft. And they can tell you a lot more about it than I can. But also check out the medical stuff, it's very interesting.